Technology enhances the quality of life. In Slovenia, the land of fantastic business opportunities, where specialized developers at Optotec are improving vision and reducing the risk of blindness with innovative optical and laser solutions. As one of the world's leading companies in its field, Optotec has been seeking new ways to help people live every moment to the fullest for more than 30 years. Today, its trained and educated team already holds 7 patents, with more pending. But the success does not end there, since Optotec's equipment has been installed on all continents.
Success can only be achieved with a team of dedicated and visionary members who are willing to work hard in the long run. Our close interaction with research, engineering and marketing enables us to develop new products that respond to emerging market needs. Our community is as important to us as our business results. We are pleased to be a sponsoring member of several projects which aim to reduce the risks of blindness and prevent it. At the same time, we are always supportive of local and foreign institutions in need.
As a company which carries the majority of sales in Europe and across the world, Optotec has gained several recognitions of quality and success, including the award for the best foreign investments. With creative solutions such as the Opto SLT Nano, the first modern design diode-pumped therapeutic laser system, Optotec leads the charge in non-invasive eye treatment. By being green, creative and smart, Optotec is an example of the ever-evolving Slovenian economy and one of its valued ambassadors. Envision your future in Slovenia, a land of infinite potential for your business. Make the most of it.